Hey guys, it's Holly with Cricut Craft Life, and today I'll be showing you how to customize a Halloween bag with flock vinyl. For this project, you'll need your vinyl, a canvas tote that I got at Hobby Lobby, and your scissors and weeding tool. Before I start, I want to measure the project surface area so I can make the right size cut for my design. Using your Cricut or Silhouette, cut your design, and for my Cricut I use the flocked iron-on setting. Then just cut your design out of your vinyl and you can save the rest for another project. Then I'll start at one corner and just peel the vinyl away from the carrier sheet. When you use flocked vinyl, you'll find that it's a little thicker and almost velvet to the touch. And that's good for projects like this because it'll hide the material of the canvas. So now you'll just weed away the rest of your design. For this project, I'll press on top of a folded towel and I'll give the vinyl something to press into. With a heat press, press for 15 seconds at 315 degrees. Once you've pressed evenly and your vinyl is pressed onto the canvas, you're ready to peel. And then your project is complete. So thanks for watching, happy Halloween, and you can explore more at shopcraftables.com.